G'day folks, it's Chris Parsons here. Let's go through Apple CarPlay together. It's worth mentioning that we are using the 9-inch system display found in X-Terrain and LSU models. Should you have an LSM or SX with a 7-inch system display, most features carry over with identical functionality. Now before we get started, make sure your car is safely in park with the handbrake on and the ignition is set to accessories. Apple CarPlay is a smarter, safer way to use your iPhone while you drive. You can get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, and enjoy your favourite music, even from apps like Spotify, iHeartRadio, podcasts, and audiobooks. You can even control all of this with Apple's built-in voice control, Siri. Apple CarPlay offers the flexibility of both USB and wireless connectivity when used with an Apple iPhone 5 or above. To connect with a cable, plug it into the USB port and connect it to an unlocked iPhone. Then select Use USB only on the iPhone display. Once the iPhone has been successfully connected, finally select Yes on the infotainment display to start using CarPlay. To take advantage of wireless Apple CarPlay, pair your iPhone via Bluetooth like normal and ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Once you've successfully paired, give it a moment and then you'll be prompted on your iPhone to enable wireless Apple CarPlay. Select Yes. The infotainment display will confirm CarPlay is connected and then ask to start. Select Yes and you are done. It's that easy. This initial setup of Apple CarPlay is only required for first-time use and will automatically connect in the future. To take advantage of Siri's voice control, press and hold the voice recognition button on the steering wheel to activate. Hey Siri, call John Smith.
Calling John Smith.
Now you're ready to enjoy an easier and safer smartphone experience. For more information, visit isuzuute.com.au.